What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? How you doing today? What's up? How you doing? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. What's going on, you guys? Hi. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Yeah, you guys. Hi. I'm coming to you from my soon to be Grove Room / Talking Room / saying hello to you. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You could be anywhere else in the gardening universe, but you choose to spend a little time with this SkinnyBoyRandy, and I greatly appreciate it. If nobody told you they love you today, I love you. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Okay, I love you. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We love having you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, we're over the top over here, you guys. Yes, click the like and subscribe button. If you haven't already done so, do that, okay? Click that like and subscribe. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you. Also, click the bell. You'll get a notification every time I make a video, which is every time I blink my big old eyes. Blink. Hey, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Also, head on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. Beginners and experts are welcome. That's the name of the Facebook group over there. If I can't answer a question here, go on over there and watch what happens. You'll get the answer to your question because somebody's going through exactly what you're going through, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, it's late. I wasn't going to make a video, but I can't stall any longer because I want to get my celery going. Okay, you guys? Hi, yes, we're doing a video on celery. I love celery, you guys. We're going to do a quick and easy video on how you can grow celery in your own home, in your windowsill, outside during the winter, rain, sleet, snow, hail, whatever. And you get a free greenhouse out the deal. Okay? So let's just dive right into the video. First of all, celery. I'm growing Utah tall celery. And you guys, you know we love celery, using celery for all types of things. Now, with this project, you guys are going to have to follow me, okay? I love you guys. Go ahead and click the thumbs up, thumbs down, and leave a comment and a message. Share the video with your social media, you guys, okay? Because this is going to be a project, and y'all going to follow me, and we're going to follow each other, okay? We're going to grow them inside the house and outside the house. So I'm going to do a video on just how to get started, okay? So we're growing the Utah tall, very frost tolerant. It's winter time coming. Well, it's not winter. We're still in fall. Back up, Randy. But yeah, winter is coming up, y'all. So you know we have to start thinking about what we're going to do. And this is also included in our indoor gardening and gardening 365 days a year. So we're going to start by growing our Utah celery, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. First thing, you guys, how to get a free greenhouse. You guys know what this is. You can get your soup in it. You can get all kinds of food. Normally the soups come in this. Hey, if you don't know what this is, you ever had a shrimp egg roll? Okay. Or some soup. Yes. But yeah, you can get these containers from anywhere, you guys. They come a dime a dozen. A lot of things come in the grocery store. They come in these little containers with the lid. You know what this is? Also a greenhouse. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to create you a quick and easy greenhouse. All right. So you just take one of these little containers, and I'm going to leave the lid on it so we can put some drainage holes in it. Now, if you don't have a drill, just take your screwdriver and go down in there like this. But I do have a drill. Y'all know I got me a drill. I love using that drill. I don't get a chance to use it often. But I'm going to use it today just for you guys, okay? So I'm going to take this. Let me get you down here. Just like that. And just drill a couple holes. Well, that didn't work out. See how you do? See? I show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now, see how it just cracked open just like that? That's okay. Even better because it's going to drain, you know. It just burst into a triangle by itself. So, maybe the drill wasn't the best choice. Okay, I'm going to get to use this drill one way or the other. But yes, you guys, so we have our drainage holes. Now, I'm not going to even try to drill them on the side. Well, I should. No, I'm not even put them on the side. What I'm going to do is make up some soil. Because celery is going to take a while, you guys. It's going to take a while. So you're going to have to be very patient with this project. All right, so we're going to take some compost. I took some of this from outside. I'm inside making this video, you guys. I'm just gonna pour it in here, this compost. Just like that. And I'm gonna use this little seed watering tray to hold everything in it. So all I did was just pour some compost in there like that. Okay, and now I'm gonna use a little bit of our black gold. Just gonna pour some of that in there because I want the highest nutrients for this celery, you guys. They love a nutritious soil. Just like that. Then I'm gonna take and put the lid on and shake, 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 like you're making a milkshake. A McFlurry. Shout out to McDonald's. That's their product. When the ice cream machine working. But yeah, just mix it all together like that, y'all. So we got some black gold in there and some compost. And I'm just mixing it all up. Now you can see it. See? Everything is mixed all good together. So our celery has a great starting base. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. You are absolutely amazing. Now, with this, we're going to do something totally different. Okay, what we don't want to do is bury the seeds. Okay, so let's take this step by step. Step number one, you got your soil together. You know, it's high in nitrogen, you know. So now what we're going to do, we started our greenhouse. We put our drainage holes at the bottom. Now I'm going to take this and pack it down like that. Okay, all the way around. And you see about how much space is from the soil to the top? About a half a, well, almost a whole, not a whole finger full, but just, you know. Let's see, can you get that? Just to give you a visual, you guys. Because everybody ain't got no ruler. Anybody got no money for no ruler. Unless you got kids in school, then I know you got a ruler. But yeah, you guys are going to do it just like that. Okay? Now, we don't want to bury the seeds. This is one thing that we're going to do totally different than our other seeds. We don't want to bury these seeds because we want these seeds to be exposed to light. Celery seeds need light to germinate, you guys. So that's a big reason people say, I didn't get any celery. I planted them, I didn't get them. You planted them too deep, probably. Okay. So, you know, who knows? So what we're going to do, we're not going to plant them deep. Okay? Rule number one, do not plant them deep. Rule number two, they need as much light as possible. Now, let me show you how tiny these seeds are. I'm not going to pour them in my hand because I don't want them to stick. You see that, y'all? Now, that's what the Lord was talking about when he said, if you have faith the size of a mustard seed, that's what he talking about. And this is the celery seed. You see how tiny those are? Can you see this? I hope you can, you guys. That's how tiny they are. Let me put a couple in my hand. Maybe they'll show up a little better. I don't know. Yeah. So, now a lot of times celery will grow. They're very resilient and you don't have to overseed. You can overseed, but when you go to transplant them, you're going to have a lot of separating to do. So I'm not going to use that many. I'm going to just, you know, gently drop a few in. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is 15 seeds. I'm just going to gently drop them in. And this is about 50. Just going to gently drop those in. Because, you know, you don't have to grow that many, you guys. If you don't have a garden that you're going to be growing to feed the whole neighborhood, don't be growing all them seeds. You can save them seeds for next year. If I got no money, keep buying seeds. Okay, if I got no money. So all I'm going to do is sprinkle them on there like that. And then I'm just going to gently take my hand and go around. I'm not even packing, y'all. I'm just tapping. Just making sure that they touch base with the soil. That's all I'm doing. Just making sure they touch base with the soil. Right on top of the soil. Now, I have a little bit of vermiculite right here. Instead of using soil, and this is a coarse vermiculite, but that's all right. Because we ain't got no money to be buying 2 kinds of vermiculite. I only got this kind. So I'm going to take this kind and make it fine. They say use some fine soil, sand, something. I'm just going to take a little fine dusting and just taking my fingers and crushing up this coarse and making it fine. You know, that's all. And look, it's turning into fine dust. And I'm going to sprinkle that over it. Just to give it a cover. We don't want to cover it too much. Like I said, just take the... If you have coarse vermiculite, y'all, if you take it and squish it between your hands, it turns a little fine dust. It's okay. You don't have to have the fine dust version. If you got this kind, just use that. And put a little bit on there like that. We're going to put our mister on there. If you followed me and you know what my mister is, that's how we water. We're just going to put a little water on this, you guys, and there you have it. Now, they need as much moisture as possible. I'm going to mist this right now. I'm inside the house, so I can't mist it right in front of your face, but I'm going to mist it and going to make sure it has plenty of light. And what I mean by that, I'm going to put it over here inside of our grow box, you guys. Yes. You know our grow box is still growing. Look down in there. See our herbs coming up? Some dill. Ooh, the dill is coming. The dill is down here in the middle. That's dill. That's basil. So I'm going to take this container, sit it right down here in the grow light with our Hoss Bright grow light. Yes, you guys. Shout out to the Hoss Bright company. Thank you for my light. It's working great, you guys. And I'm just going to put my lid back on. I leave it cracked for circulation. And there you have it. That's how you plant your celery. You guys, we're going to be growing all winter long, 365 days a year. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh. You guys grow something in it.